Okay, so the heater works well, but when it cycles down, the metal, there's a metal that makes a popping sound. It's not a popping sound in a gas line or anything like that, but it's a popping sound in the metal. And I've checked this grate and pushed on everything I could, but it still makes the popping sound. So let's see if it'll happen right now when I turn it down. Hear that? And it does it all night long. I can't sleep a wink. It does it on the low setting. Hear that noise, that clicking? I've checked everything. There's nothing loose. It's not the gas. There's something inside there clicking, and it's no way you can sleep at night with that on. So there's the problem.
Massive game for this Indianapolis Colts team. Christian Fulton down as we take another look. You look at the inside release.
Well, there's my new heater. I hope it keeps me warm. Gotta go. See you later.